Hi everyone, it's Andrew from The Retired Barber. I'm doing some picking and packing. I've got another order to ship out today, so let's crack on. So, the order I've got today is Nishman. I used to use this a lot when I had the shop as well, but I'm selling this more online now that I'm retired. So let's crack on with this one. This one's going to Harrow. Just found that the eBay sales are now starting to pick up a bit. It's now the middle of, or towards the middle of August 26. So I'm quite pleased with that. This is the main line of things that I do is hair care styling products, more so for men, but I am starting to diversify a wee bit into ladies hair care. I was trained in both ladies and men's hairdressing, but for the past 30 years out of my 55 years in the industry, barbering. So I know the products inside out, and the customers know what they like as well. Making sure it's all taped up properly. Don't want that rattling around somewhere, not being picked up. One more bit. Label on. And then we'll be good enough to ship this out this morning, along with the other one I did last night. And there we go, that's that one done. Put these bits and pieces away. So yeah, any of the stuff I've got, I'll be leaving some links all over the place. I'll be putting up on here. If you like Morgan's products, which I am affiliated to, whatever you buy, you get 10% off. And it's a lifetime 10%, so you could go back next year and buy another load of stuff, or a couple of months' time. But Morgan's is the one I'm affiliated to, but I do sell other barbering stuff. Anyway, you'll be able to catch me on eBay. I'll leave a link to my eBay store, and we'll catch you later. Thanks very much.